Checking values not in lists with if-else statements. Checking if not in a list. To check if an element is not in the list, you need to use the keyword not and in within the if-else statements. Let's see how. Okay, first go to brackets. As we did in the previous lecture, we have the same list, my list, with its elements. So now, let's make a new way to check the elements, such as to create a variable called name and assign it with a string mark. Then use if-else statements such as if name not in my list, colon. Then print name dot lower member function plus string space plus string it's not in the list. Lower member function is not required of you to do it, but it makes your code nice. Then type else colon print it's in the list. Then try that in the terminal. Very good. As you can see, Mark is not in the list. So it's possible to create a variable and check if the contents of the variable are in the list or not. So now you need to try your own code on your computer. Thank you very much.